In this guide, I'm going to show you how to get my WhatsApp link on Android. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But you might notice when you open up, WhatsApp, that there's not going to be a direct button in the app to copy your personal WhatsApp link, but you actually have to create it manually. So open up like a chat or a message or whatnot, and you're going to want to go ahead and type in wa.me, so me. And I know I'm demonstrating this on an iPhone, it works the exact same way. Then go ahead and do a slash just like so, and then you want to follow it by your full phone number with the country code. So for example, like I'm in the United States, so I do 1 first, and then I type in my phone number, which let's just say it is 222-222-222-2222, right? For example, that would be 1. From here, you essentially just need to send the message, and then you can go ahead and copy this link just like so, and then that's when you can go ahead and send it. Now, obviously, if it opens up a WhatsApp chat with your number, that means it's going to be working when you select it. In this case, I currently don't have a real 222-222 number. You would want to do your actual number. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.